What's going on, family? It's the wife from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we got a new optic in. Let's go. Like I said, family, today we got a new optic in. As you guys know me, I love optics. I run optics on just about all of my pistols, man. I just love shooting with optic, man. It makes me shoot more accurate, shoot faster. Mind you, I'm very good with iron sights as well, but I just like what optics, the new technology they bring to the table. All right, look. So let me tell you a story. I was at the range working on some concealed carry techniques, drawn from holsters, stuff like that. So, raised my firearm up, presented it to the target. I couldn't find my dot. Guess why I couldn't find my dot? There was a piece of lint from my undershirt on top of the emitter. I was highly upset. Mind you, it was a quality dot, so it wasn't the dot's fault. It was just the fact that I was using an open emitter dot. So me, I got on the internet. I was already looking at some closed emitter dots. So that brings me to the SwampFox Kraken, man. Got the SwampFox Kraken in, man. It's a new closed emitter dot from SwampFox, so I decided to give this dot a try. So look, I know you guys are tired of seeing me. You guys want to see exactly what's in this box. So what we'll do, let's head over to the table and see what we got. Alright guys, right now we have the SwampFox Kraken closed emitter dot. As you can see, the reticle, it's a red dot, reticle size 3 MOA, lens diameter 16 millimeter, lens coating red, dimensions 1.86 by 1.4 by 1.23. Here's the rest of the packaging. As you can see, there's not much on the box. Seize your freedom. RMR and MOS compatible footprints, auto on, shake and awake technology, outstanding durability. Alright, let's see what's in the box. I haven't opened this yet, so let's see. Alright, so they give you some Vibra-Tight, basically Loctite. That's great, that comes in there. A little styrofoam. Got a nice SwampFox sticker. SwampFox support. The manual. Nice cleaning cloth. Let's see what else is in here. This is your optics key, I'm guessing, to dial in your settings. It's an Allen key. The MOS plate, and we have the RMR plate. SwampFox, SwampFox. You guys are for the win with these two plates, man. You get a lot of optics companies that don't include plates, make you have to spend your extra money to get the plates. But man, these come with two popular plates and the screws for the plates. So that's amazing right there. Okay. Also comes with your battery. CR2032. Real common battery. Now we have the star of the show. We actually have SwampFox Kraken right here. And I can honestly say in pictures and videos, this thing looks huge. But honestly, it's not that big. It's not big at all, actually. So here's what it looks like, as you guys can see. Very, very nice glass on here. As you guys can see that. It's your windage and elevation. It's your battery door here. Your dot brightness up and down. This is a nice dot, man. Very, very nice dot. So let's install this battery. Alright guys, so we got the battery installed. And this glass with the dot actually looks pretty good, man. Not even gonna lie, this looks pretty good looking through here. Let me see if I can get you guys a view. There's the dot right there. As always, the camera makes this dot look huge. It's not a very big dot at all. This thing is very, very nice. Like I said, in videos and pictures, this optic looks extremely huge, man. But when you get it in hand, it's not that big at all. Let's see if I can get you guys another view of the dot here. There we go. So what we're going to do now, we'll get this thing mounted on top of a firearm, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this firearm is clear. As you can see, we have the SwampFox Kraken here, and it's mounted on a Glock 19. I didn't need any type of external plates or anything. This closed emitter dot actually came with the plate that's needed. So as you can see, this thing fits good. I can actually co-witness. See if I can get this dot to show. There's the dot. I can actually co-witness if I wanted to with my front and rear sight. This SwampFox Kraken is nice, man. It's not as big as it looks in pictures, in videos. It's definitely a nice sturdy fit on top of this Glock 19. Let you guys see that dot again. It does get tricky trying to get the dot on the camera. And this just looks good, man. It's nice quality. The buttons feel good. Can't wait to take this out to the range and zero it in. But as a first unboxing, looking at what you get in the box, first off, let me clap it up for SwampFox, man, for putting those plates inside of the box. Basically, man, you purchase this dot, and you can mount it right on your firearm, man. No external plates needed. If you're running a Glock MOS slide, or if you're running a RMR cut slide, this is not a Glock MOS slide. This is a RMR cut slide, so this thing fit perfectly on here. The plate that came with the actual dot fit perfectly on here. Applause to you, SwampFox, for doing that, man. Because everybody doesn't, some people don't have the money to buy a $60, $70, $80 plate after they've already spent a few $100s on the dot. I applaud you guys for putting that in here in the actual packaging. That's a major plus. Also, with first unboxing and mounting it on my firearm, this thing is actually, I did some dry fire reps, and I couldn't tell the difference from a normal dot, in my opinion. The casing on it is a little bulky, but you really don't notice it after a couple reps. So the first rep I did, it was a little difficult for me to find the dot, honestly. But as I started getting into my dry fire, probably about my 10th rep, man, I didn't notice a difference. I could find the dot with ease. It didn't take me long to get used to it at all. And you don't really notice the big bulky frame on here. If you're used to something like a Hollow Sun 507 or something like that, an open emitter, or any type of open emitter dot. Yeah, like I said, it took a few reps to get used to, but it's not as difficult as it may look. I can't wait to get this thing out to the range, get it zeroed in, run some tests with it. So yeah, but for first initial unboxing, this Kraken is a 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10 for the win. So yeah, guys, thanks. Yes, sir, man. As you guys saw, The SwampFox Kraken, man, it comes with everything you need in the box. It's a quality. It feels very, very quality, man. I can't wait to take it out to the range to give it some tests, man. Hey, if you guys are using the SwampFox Kraken, what do you guys think about it? This is honestly my first SwampFox product, but I've heard a lot of great things about it. So look here. Let me know in the comments below, man. Do you guys trust SwampFox? Do you guys use SwampFox products? And have you used this Kraken? If you use the Kraken, give me your honest opinion in the comments below. And you know I'm going to give you mine. So look here. Enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I'm about to take this thing to the range, man, to test it out. And I'll come back with a final review on the SwampFox Kraken. So be sure to check out our website, ClarksFirearmTraining.com, and I'll see you on the next video.